So I'm at a total loss for words. I cannot believe this. What's up? This is John from John Branch 4 Photography, and I just wanted to update y'all on something that happened recently in the wedding industry that was a little bit interesting to me and honestly just straight up pissed me off. I'm not the type to get mad about stuff. I'm usually a very much bridge under the water type of guy, but this definitely rubbed me the wrong way, like sandpaper. So a couple of weeks ago, and honestly this is how long it took me to talk about this because I was that heated. I was extra salty, that high sodium. But WeddingWire emailed me and they were like, oh, updates to your storefront. So I was like, oh cool, maybe they're updating and stuff. And then I went and read through it and they said that they updated everyone's storefront information. So like the text you put in describing your business. And when they did this, they talked about updating your SEO so you didn't have duplicate information on the internet, and I understand that. Yet again, I used to work at Squarespace, I get how that stuff works, but they just straight up changed everybody's descriptions and they made them sound robotic and all the same. And So one big thing I've learned recently from the Hustle and Flow workshop and just in general is nowadays, especially with millennials, and that's usually your main market. I'm technically a millennial too, but don't really consider myself one because born in '85. But anyways, millennials buy towards brands. They don't want to buy for just experience and stuff. We want to sell into something that we believe in. So you as a wedding photographer, just as a wedding industry professional, you need to sell your brand. You want to be realistic, you want to be a real person, you want to feel authentic. And when you explain your brand, it shouldn't sound the same as everybody else's. So my brand is very much based on having fun, having a great time on your wedding day. We're not going to be too concerned about taking extra stuffy photos. Obviously they're going to be good. My work talks for itself. But I want to let people know that I want to be a part of your family. I want to really be there at your wedding as a guest, having a fun time and stuff. But then they go and change my text, and it's all like, John Branch the 4th Photography is a 5-year professional photographer in weddings that really fucking... I'm like, what is this? What is this third person? Who talks in the third person? Bro, couples want to book me. I am John Branch 4 Photography, not John Branch 4 Photography is a professional So now on WeddingWire, you go through everyone's profiles and everybody's thing looks the same. If I was looking for wedding photography, I'd have no idea who to choose because one off, it's 2019, my dude. Everybody takes good photos. Everybody takes good photos. The photos don't set us apart anymore. It's not hard to learn how to take photos. It's harder to run a really good business. It's harder to really talk to your couples and get them to understand what you're providing for them. It's harder to have people sell into your brand and for you to really authentically show that brand and have people really get it. You know, like I just got to a point where people inquire with me and what they explain about what they like about my work and my style is exactly what I'm trying to say my brand is. So they get it. I've gotten there. That took me years. And writing in the third person is not the way I got there. So I just wanted to share that with you all. Let me know in the comments what you think about what happened. Let me know if your descriptions changed, if you are on WeddingWire. I was already over them. I was done. But the moment this thing happened, I can't. I literally just, I cannot. Literally a loss of words. So yeah, let me know what you think about WeddingWire. Are you signed up for WeddingWire? Do you like WeddingWire? Have you had good success? Because on top of that, I haven't even had success on WeddingWire. The knot's been popping off for me, but WeddingWire, yeah. But they're merged now. And actually, I heard through the grapevine, they were sending out emails trying to say like, oh, sign up for both and you get a better deal or something. But then some photographers were saying there wasn't any actual deal. So I just hope the knot doesn't end up like this. That's just, please don't ruin my knot. Anyways, thanks again for hanging out. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell for more information about the wedding industry, creative entrepreneurship, anything like that. And I'll be with y'all next time. All right.